What's going on, everybody? Cody Does It, back at it again with another video. Today I'm going to teach you about oil maintenance on vehicles. This here is the 2020 Gladiator. I'm going to let you guys get a good look at it. 47, almost 48,000 miles. It's got some issues here with the cams and the lifters. Unfortunately, you can see how dirty this engine is. I'll let you guys get a good look. Let's see if I can zoom in just a little bit. You can see where it's eating the cams up here. Pretty gnarly. I'm not gonna zoom in, but you can see how dirty all that is on that side. This side's pretty dirty as well, but not as bad as the other. So we're gonna be doing some warranty work on this one. I won't, but my master tech Larry will be, because I'm not wasting my time on dirty ass shit like this. Doesn't pay good enough, especially when it's warranty work. But I'm gonna also pause this and show you it's a 2015. This one's got bearing the same issue, but the cams aren't bad. You can't really hear it. It's got some play in it, but you can see with this vehicle having 74,000 miles on it, how much cleaner it is. It's not all coated all along that intake cam. The exhaust cam's pretty much the same. It's not as dark, but pretty close. There is some stuff in the way. There is some oxide. I can't even speak today. There's some dirt and grime inside the spark plug tubes. There's none in this back one for some reason, but in the front ones, yes. It probably doesn't get driven very far. That tends to happen. Doesn't have any cam issues. It's just gonna be those lifters and those rockers. The roller on that one's actually the one that's bad. That one I was touching right here. So just a quick tip for oil maintenance. You can review back and forth on this and see how much dirtier this one is versus that one, which had sludge. And I'll show you the valve cover on it. This came off the this is a Wrangler, that one's a Gladiator, but you can see how that looks inside of there. So just a quick tip, don't wait until your car tells you to change its oil. Change the oil whenever you want to change the oil. About every 3,000 to 4,000 miles is ideal, especially if you drive your cars hard. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Just a little quick video for you guys as I walk out of the shop, and I'll see you on the next one.